Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I thought that I would use all the nice stuff that I have. So today I'm using the Pretty Rich eyeshadow palette from Too Faced. So I'm creating, I would say a nice, subtle, so I am creating this really sparkly, smoky eye look with this palette using the Pretty Rich palette, which actually looks like this. Very cute and shiny and pretty. So if you want to see how I came up with this, then please keep on watching. Okay, so this is the palette. Look how pretty, how gorgeous is this palette. Wow. So let's just set the lid with a color, and let's just go in with this one, and it is called It's Designer. Yeah, Pretty Rich. And I'm going in. It's very powdery. Let's see how it does on the lid. Wow, it's pigmented. Wow. Whew. Let me zoom you in so you can see what it's doing. We have a few options for transitions, but I'm thinking this color would be perfect today, and it's called, it's Cashmere. It's Cashmere. Yeah. Love these names, they're so much fun. These are very powdery. I'm sure, like, wow, pigmented AF. Whew. Amazing. Gorgeous. I think I'm going to go all out and create a quite dramatic, smoky, all out there shiny look, because I'm in the mood for that. So I'm going to deepen up the crease, and I'm going to do that with this really cute chocolatey, I would say it has a tinge of purple in it, but I'm going to use this chocolatey brown shade as an outer corner V shade, and it is called Oh That's Rich. These names are amazing. They just crack me up every time, like all of these names. So cool. Okay, let's find a brush. This one is not as powdery, so hopefully good things happen. Blends amazing, like seriously amazing. It goes exactly where I want it to go. And just deepen it into the crease a little. And because I'm craving drama, like not in real life, just in the makeup, I have to say, I want to add this really cool shimmery black shade. So I want to add this really cute shimmery black shade, and this is called Coal Under Pressure. Coal Under Pressure, wow. So with the same brush, I'm just deepening up the little outer V. Okay, now I could stop right here because it would be the perfect smoky eye, you know, for me. But, I mean, look at this. I want to get in all of the shimmers. I mean, basically, I want to. I think I'm going to put this little purpley duochrome, silvery purpley, bluish kind of a shade all over the lid, and this is called Silver Spoon. Right. And I don't want to go overboard with this color because I just want it to be a base for all of the shiny stuff. So I really just cannot help myself but try this one, which is called Diamond Light. No, Diamond Life. So this one is called Diamond Life. This is straight up glitter. There is no way around this. Yeah, possibly glitter glue would have been advisable for this, but I guess we are just going there today. Whew. Now that we are here, I just want to try some more. So, I'm going in with this. Diamonds for breakfast. Okay. Yeah, we are kind of glittering. Yep. Wow. If you can see that, the shiniest thing ever. Whoa. But actually you can kind of flick these away if you really want to. Yes. Okay, now do something with the under eyes a little bit. And I kind of want to try the Silver Spoon color on the under eyes. And as a last step in the eyeshadow part, I'm going to put a little bit of brow bone and inner corner highlight with this one. This little white kind of duochromy white pink shade. And this is called Clutch Your Pearls. I should have worn pearls for this. Well, you know, next time. It's not as, you know, pigmented as I kind of hoped it would be, but I'm of course going to try to spritz this with some Fix and Spray and see what's up. Well, that much, of course, so much better. So definitely use some setting spray on the shimmer, which is not glitter, just shimmer. Ooh. It also has some glitter particles in it, so just beware. So let me just finish the look and get back to you in a sec. Okay, so the look is complete. So this is the face. These are the eyes, of course. So I hope you like this. So I hope you liked seeing me use the Too Faced Pretty Rich eyeshadow palette with all of these cute glimmery shades. So yeah, this is the look. Please like the video if you like the look. Subscribe to my channel so we could hang out and do all sorts of fun things together. And until the next time, bye bye.